Hey guys, welcome back to another quick assist video. If this video helps, please like or comment, subscribe, I appreciate it. In today's quick assist, we're going to be assisting you on how to allow your friends to screen mirror onto your MacBook. So say they want to show you a presentation like a PPT, all you have to do is go to System Settings on the top right there. Then we're going to go hit that, and then you're going to want to go to General right there. Then we're going to want to go to AirDrop and Continuity. So click that, and once we get down to AirPlay, make sure that the AirPlay is on. And from AirPlay, it says allow AirPlay for, and then right now it's current user, so that's just me. But I can now, if I click that, I can make it anyone on the same network, so on the same Wi-Fi, or everyone. So in case I'm out somewhere. So go ahead and click that, and now your friend, it's gonna ask you to use a password. Go ahead, put in your password. Some of you just have to put a fingerprint. And then now your friend or the other person, in case you're in a business meeting, will be able to connect to your MacBook and then go through the presentation or the video or whatnot. All right, I hope this video helps. Please like or comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.